Hey guys and gals, it's the Moon's Mask here and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today I'm just going to show you places in Animal Jam. Yeah, Animal Jam. So, let's get right into it. This is the world map. It's gonna be your buddy. So, get used to it, sweetie. Click on it and where should you start? There are so many places. I will just tell you. Just start right here in Jama Township. These are people. These are other users like you. Some of them are not very nice. Some of them may be a bit scary. But don't you worry. You're probably going to make buddies. Kind koala. And stuff. Yeah. Around Jama, this is the snowy edition. It usually changes on the season. And so, because it is winter in America, it is the snowy season. Doesn't matter where you live, it will be the American one. So, this is a nice fire. Oh, okay. Fun fact, you click on that, you get what's it called? A s'more. That is probably incorrect, but who cares? Now, I'm not showing you shops today, I'm just showing you places. Uh-oh, I've accidentally clicked something. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Nope, I'm not ready. No. Oh my goodness, I have a duck next to me. I didn't even remember buying a duck. Where am I going? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Let's cut this out of the video, shall we? Yep. This is Jama. It has shops, it has buddy dens, it has game stores, it has things, and this thing. All the way up here, it's a nice area to cry and be lonely and stuff. Yep, and that's the clothes shop. You probably won't need to use it, but you might want to. That's the den shop. And yeah, there's all these little branches going to other places, but I'd rather not walk or run or whatever I'm doing right now. So click the world map and let's go to Mount Chivir. I used to call it Mount Shivery, but no, it's Mount Chivir. Over here is your lovely day-to-day warm heated spa kind of thing. You just sit there. Most people sit here and customize their things. Look, I have friends. Hello, be my friend. I'm so lonely. No. Okay. Up here is ice. Many people like to jump on the ice for hours and hours and hours and hours. And they will spend their entire life jumping up. See, there's another person on the ice, so it starts cracking and crumbling. It's a pretty sad business for those people, but sometimes it works. And yes, I did just pause the video because my battery was about to die. Anyway, so up here is your lovely mountain top. Yeah. North Pole this way because it's the Christmas spirit. Yep. Now down here is, why would you walk down here when you can take the fabulous ice track? That was so much fun. Okay. And around here is a light creature. Look at that. Where did it go? Give me. Okay, never mind. So around Jama, you will see lots of different things. You can find games. You can find animals that are not players. And then you can find your basic kawaii potato. That is awesome, kid. That is just the best. Your name is awesome. Kawaii potato. Okay, that was embarrassing. Let's get out of here. Oh, nice. I'll just. And now I'm just gonna get out of here. Now, I'm not going to go into the world map. I'm going to show you this. It's called a bridge, and you cross it. And voila, you're in Baluch. Baluch is an amazingly amazing... It's a mythical place. It's like sacred. Completely and utterly sacred. And I'm just gonna... You can play in the water and go to sleep in the water for eternity. And you can just run around and be mythical and priceless and stuff. And you can just run around, look, like I'm doing. Here's a nice tree. There's other places. And lots of people sometimes. There's bridges. There's this thing where you can climb all the way up, which I enjoy doing, and sitting here and thinking for hours. And there is a waterfall. Sadly, you can't climb the waterfall. You can't go down the waterfall. So it's a bit sad. Up here, another place where you can just sit for ages. And yeah, let's turn that on. Oh, that's a nice music. Yep. Here is Baluch, people of the earth. I don't like it because it's trying to corrupt my voice. I think that's the right word. Probably isn't, but who cares? Anyway, let's go to... What's it called again? A Pondale. A Pondale. Now a Pondale, your basic safari place. There's a person in a tree. Yes, you can climb the tree. Yes, you may. You may. Climbing trees is fun, but yeah, there's just no doubt about it. This place, where does it actually go to? Into the great beyond. Oh, that's where it goes to. Okay, that's a fun fact for me and you. There's Gabayari's Hospital. There's your basic claws and paws. I think that's it. Why does everyone want to be my I'm just gonna accept it. Hopefully they like my look. Fun, sir. Now there's places around Jama where you can get a little muddy, but it doesn't matter. You can just drown yourself in the mud. Every night I go to sleep and I drown myself in the mud. If you step on me, if you step on me one more time, yes, be afraid. Really? Really? You better watch it, mate. Now, let us discover Kimbara. It's Kimbari Outback. Kimbara. Amber. Whoops. Sorry, I clicked on your name. Oh, that's Gabby's hospital. What was the other one? Okay, I'm not finding that out. Here's some water. Let's wash ourselves in it, because I feel filthy. Oh, wait, because I am. Just your basic waterfall that you can't go down. Craze. Some more shops. Some painting thing. Some more games. A Christmas tree, because why the hell not? And yeah. Yeah, just your basic Kimbara Outback. Okay, now let us go to the Temple of Zeus. Now this is the Lost Temple of Zeus. It's a pretty cool place, if I don't say so myself. You have your basic Falling Phantoms game over there. You should check it out at some time. It's really fun. Down here is your water. There's water in all the places, isn't there? Wait. 1, 2, 3. That's mud. That counts as water. 4. There's water at the bottom. 5, 6. Yeah, there's all water. 7. Well, it says it has water, so I guess most of Animal Jam is water. not really though. That's incorrect statistics. So you got all this. You got this nice path. You got this fancy statue. You got your selling. And yeah. And now this is the Crystal Sands. The Crystal Sands is pretty cool. People like to hang here, talk in that shack over there, and trading unwanted masterpieces. Yeah, I haven't seen that. Anyway, now, though the others have all been disappointments, there are actually water slides here, which makes me happy. Very, very happy. Ah, no, don't show the world how bankrupt I am. AJ-rupt I am. Now this is the miniature water slide, and this is the nice twisted water slide. Now you got your pool of water, your rock pools, and then your basic pools of water. Let's go up and you see the awesome game. No. You think you can trade me this and this for this. You can be my buddy. But no. No. Your pet wash to make your pets, which I don't have. It's just a mystery. Sparkly. I just got swooped by a bird. Please tell me in the comments what type of bird that was, because I'm not smart enough to work it out. Now on the way to Coral Canyons, you've got the Canyons pathway. I didn't even know it was called that until today. We're learning new things, everyone. That's the Twister game. You should try it out sometime. You can buy some things. For the members, you can buy some snakes and some hamsters. And for the non-members, you can buy some hamsters. I have lots of hamsters. Just gonna shamelessly promote myself. Please buy my hamsters. I have too many hamsters. Way too many. Please buy some. I beg of you. Okay. Coral Canyons are this way. Was that a llama on them? No, that wasn't a llama. Okay. Sometimes Coral Canyons isn't packed. And sometimes it's packed. Usually on Animal Jam, you spawn here. You first come onto Animal Jam and you're here. For some reason. Here's some frogs, some games, some things I haven't played. Here's your everyone screaming at each other, which is just fine, because I'm not part of it. You come up here, and there's some shops. There's a shop. There's some cats on a high canyon with eagles swooping them, which is okay, because I will protect them. I'm the mama cat. I shall protect them. No, sorry. If you jump up and down on this, I think something happens. I think you need more than one person, and I'm not going through that right now. So you come down, that's your basic Coral Canyons. What haven't we done? Okay, let's see what okay, we're gonna... I click something. Oh, well, I clicked the right thing. Some sales. That is your movie star theatre. So you want to watch some movies, love? Just go into the theatre. There is a Wind Rider game. I haven't tried that yet. I think I shall later. Down here, I can't move. There's a slide. Now I'm pretty happy that there's a slide, because now we can go down it. Now if you're a role player fan, you should be very happy. This is the role playing sanctuary. This is sanctuary. And also, if everyone's dancing near this, they're all dancing. They all dance. The fire gets bigger and bigger until it turns into this amazing falcon thing. I think it's one of the AJ gods, Animal Jam, AJ shorts for things. Now we've done that, we did this. We haven't done this, Bahari Bay, which you can get into by Crystal Sands. Now, you need a water animal for this, because you don't expect my wolf to go drowning himself. Now this is my water animal. I know it's lame, but I don't have an otter yet. So down here is just shops, adventures, which we shall get onto in next. We shall learn about in next episode. Now these are whirlpools. You just go through them. You can find them in the adventures. There's some sale mannequins. I think they're rather creepy, so I haven't bought any. I bought one. I haven't used it in a while. Yeah, I guess. You go through here. You have your amazing Trekannikov, where it has a shop, and there's a phantom. I think this is a phantom ship, but no, this is not the hypothesis theory time. Now going up here can lead you straight to this thing. It's near Crystal Sands. That's what I have to say. Here, Timiny's aquarium. I'm going back down into the sea. Under the sea. Load! There we go. I'm just gonna get some music on because it's beautiful. Okay, that's creepy music. That's really creepy. Now in here is that's deep blue music. There's crystal reef. It's really nice. That's your falls and pearls. That's your pet shop. This is the way up, and that is the way to that side. You have your shops, you have everything, and you come up as a beautiful and elegant wolf once this loads. Yes, betas, then betas, Animal Jam, Jammer Rock, Rock Jam, KS. Wanna see a nasty, ew. Yes, BB. Do you guys want know what a cuddle is? This guy is awesome. A cuddle. That's a good question. Yes. Making friends with people who want cuddles. Do you know what a cuddle is? So yeah, that's your basic Animal Jam. I'm out of here. And I'm back into my sad, lonely den, where I can cry myself to sleep. Down I go into the depths of my basement. And now, silence. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, can you give it a like? Because I'm really sad at this point. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to Animal Jam The Moon's Mask. I think it has a dash thing between Animal Jam and The Moon's Mask. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I cannot share as much appreciation as I feel for you guys, guys and gals. Next episode video thingy-majig, I shall be showing you pets because they are important to me. Now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the video with sad friends like yourselves. And see this? This is the mic. This is the mic, and it has been dropped.